Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Tree. We are in week 10.
10.
Week 10. So last week we cooked what, Craig?
How do you do this every week? I've got too many projects going on. I can't remember.
What we cooked here?
Kung Pao chicken.
Oh.
Wow.
So, what was the ratings from your families? How did it turn out?
It was good.
It was really good. Right on. All of your dishes look delicious that you submitted on the pictures. Turned out really great. And this week we started Cooking with Tree Kids Edition. And Kara's kids are one of the kids that participated. And we made pineapple fried rice. And if you saw the pictures, those looked absolutely delicious. They did a wonderful job. I think they had a great time. Did they have fun, Kara?
They had an awesome time, and my youngest actually said that was the fanciest dinner we've ever had at home.
Rice, they were able to actually serve their dish in the pineapple. It was really, really cute. Check out the picture. So I say we have some good chefs, great chefs on the horizon. What do you think?
I would agree.
Yes, they did a really good job. We're really proud of them. Yay! And I can't wait to see them again this Wednesday when we'll be doing chocolate chip muffins. So that ought to be fun. We have some really good recipes ahead for them. It's a 4-week series. So if you'd like to get your kids to join along with us in the fun, please email me at Northwest Taste of the Bayou. That's nwtasteofthebayou@gmail.com. Again, that's nwtasteofthebayou@gmail.com. Or you can just comment below and I'll see it and we'll know to add you on. We're really having fun. So please, if you have kids 11 and up, or even some kids that may be younger, but you think they can navigate their way through the kitchen, hit us up and join us at Cooking with Tree Kids because we're really having a great time. But on to today. Today we are cooking Nola barbecue, shrimp, and grits, which is one of my favorites. We used to have a food cart in Portland and we used to serve shrimp and grits, and that was probably one of our top sellers.
Agreed.
It was one of our top sellers, so I hope you guys enjoy this dish. It's really quick and easy, and if you're not a grit fan, you don't have to serve her with grits. You can serve her with maybe garlic mashed potatoes or a grit alternative, which is polenta, and the only difference between grits and polenta is grits is a white brown corn and polenta is a yellow coarser brown. So it's a really, people think it's a breakfast dish, but it's an anytime dish. And it went from a low budget Southern dish to now it's in some of the top restaurants, served in 4-star restaurants. So I hope you guys enjoy this dish. And doing a little research, and as we know, spicy shrimp, tangy shrimp dishes are usually paired with a nice Chardonnay, but what's my favorite? My favorite is red, so I'm going with a sweet red. To really easy this, let's get started. Cheers. So what will you need to cook shrimp and grits today? Let's go over the list of ingredients. So let's get started. All right, so we want to get our shrimp. We want them cleaned and deveined and peeled. I leave my tails on even though Sir Sous Chef hates it, but it makes for a really nice presentation later. So I'm using the 16 to 20 count. And we learned about what the counts are. So when you say 16 to 20 count, that means you get 16 to 20 per pound. They are nice, large size shrimp. It's for a tasty treat. So we want to get those. And as usual, I'm going to kiss them with a little of my Tony seasoning. We are going to get a saute pan. Put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and get that warmed on a medium-high heat. barbecue shrimp and grits. So again, it's Nola barbecue shrimp and grits.
Thank you.
Another alternative to serving this, again, garlic mashed potatoes. If you're a ketoer, you can do cauliflower mash, or you can serve it as an appetizer and take some crusty French bread, slice it up, slap some olive oil and butter on it, and char it, and just dip it in that sauce. It is delicious. Really, really delicious. Actually, sometimes we do that. We just take the bread when we're getting off of keto and we dip. So we have to try it with our chunky keto bread. No?
You can.
You don't want to do it?
Nope.
Okay, I'll do it. I'm going to try it with the keto bread because the sauce is really, really good, and sucking it up in that bread and taking it down is heaven. It's everything. So hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Next week, we will be doing, what are we doing, Carter? Do you know? Do you remember?
They're not.
You have no remote idea?
Only that's a class.
They
Okay.
don't know. They don't know.
Okay.
They don't know. Next week, we are doing jerk chicken.
Okay.
Yes, so usually you marinate jerk chicken anywhere from 3 hours to overnight, but we're going to do a quick version that's really strong punch of a sauce that you don't need to marinate. It's really, really good. And a couple of suggestions I will email out to you all for side dishes. One thing I am going to do is a twice sweet potato. It's really, really good with jerk chicken because it's a little sweet to go with that punch of spicy we give the jerk chicken. So that's going to be our recipe for next week. So please tune in. And as always, bon appetit. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a great week.